everybody! I'm here today to show you how to install a shark bite shut-off valve. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps that are required for installing one of these, which is a shark bite shut-off valve. Now, very simple and straightforward. A shark bite is a new type of plumbing mechanism that allows you to put pieces together and add things onto piping without soldering. I mean, it's truly revolutionary. I love these things. Now you can see this is a simple shut-off valve. Okay, as you can see right here, it's a quarter-turn shut-off valve, and then it has the outlet right over here. So basically, all that you got to do to install a shark bite shut-off valve is first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to do it on a copper pipe. You can also use these on PEX piping as well, but you got to get yourself a piece of pipe, which in this case is going to be copper. Okay. Now what you're going to do is take your shark bite and you want to basically put it on the copper pipe. Now it's really important to know how it works, because I mean, I don't want to just show you how to do it. On the inside there are these little teeth, and then there's this piece right over here on the inside. Okay, so you want to essentially get the pipe to go, and you want the teeth to grip around the copper pipe. So this is the end right here that's going to go on the pipe. Okay, you can see it's like a different color right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this end, try and do this close to the camera. I'm going to take it, put it over top of the pipe just like that. Okay, and it's still not on. I could take it on, I could take it off and put it on, but what you want to do is get your finger right over here. So you can see I'm putting it right on the pipe, over the pipe. Get your finger and you're going to give it a nice push. Okay, just like that. Yeah, baby, there you go. Now look at this thing. Look at this. Like I'm telling you, man, this is not going anywhere. I'm pretty ripped, okay? I'm pretty strong. So I'm pulling this thing. It's not going anywhere. That's it. It's on. It's that simple. Look at this. Quarter turn off and on, just like that. Like literally what used to take a while to do, you know, on precision, like you just pop it on, you walk away. I mean, turn the water on, make sure that it's not going to leak. This isn't connected to anything, by the way. This is just a piece of copper pipe that I bought for this video. I hope that you actually enjoy it and you find it helpful, because like I said, I went and got some materials for this one. As an added bonus, like if you want to take it off, you don't have to unsolder anything now, okay? If you want to disconnect it, you get a simple tool like this. It's a disconnect tool, very simple, easy to use. You put it around the pipe as an added bonus, okay? And you can just get it off. It's very simple. I mean, I don't really want to do it in this video, but you're just gonna have to push on it evenly, and you'll be able to lift it off. Like I said, this is how to install a shark bite shut-off valve, not how to remove one, but just so you know, whenever you want to remove it, you take the disconnect tool, you pop it on there, and then you can push it off. There's also a way to disconnect it using a simple wrench, which if you go look it up, you might hear familiar voice. The method on disconnecting a shark bite with a wrench. So like I said, even if you don't have the disconnect tool, you can still do it. That's it. In this video, I wanted to go over the basics of installing a shark bite shut-off valve. This is the shut-off valve. It's made by Shark Bite. Really easy to use. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos. And I'm sorry, this is not a car or driving video, so I really apologize for that ending. I can't believe I messed that up. But like I said, if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos, all kinds of videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.